Hello everyone, my name's Jacqueline, Saladmaster Cookware, London, Kentucky. And did you know that Saladmaster has been in business since 1945? So I'm going to show you guys some old pots and pans today that you may have in your cabinets. So here we go. First thing first, I'm going to talk a little bit just about things that you would find in the store, anything from upscale kitchen stores that's high-end Teflon, aluminum. Everything is aluminum and Teflon. All of it is just got a spray coating in there. And it doesn't matter the brand, it doesn't matter where you get it at, what department store, how much you pay, how little you pay. It's all aluminum, it's all Teflon, and it's really, according to statistics, they say it's not healthy to eat out of aluminum. No doubt you guys know that better than I do. So that's your aluminum pieces. I'm going to show you real quickly some more things that is kind of like a misconception. People go to the store and they purchase things like, not to name brand names, but thin stainless steel, may have copper bottom, it may have an aluminum core, which is a great heat conductor, but all of the stainless steel that you see here, no matter if it comes from an upscale store or just a regular store, it's all made of 18-8 stainless steel. Poor heat conduction, you use oils and greases and waters and all that in it, the same as you do aluminum and Teflon. It's pretty and it's shiny, but all in all, you delete your flavor, your vitamins, your nutrition down the drain whenever you're cooking in water. So this is an aluminum pot. It's just one of the old aluminum pots that some of you may be familiar with. This is our Saladmaster Cookware. Been in business since 1945, and then of course every household in America, I'm guessing, has probably seen or ate out of one of these at one time or the other, the cast iron skillet. I'm going to show you a real quick test today. I've got some steel wool balls here, and you can do this at home. All you need is about 3 steel wool balls. I can get them out of the packaging. So we're just going to take 3 steel wools, lay them here. I have 3 things of water in little jars, so I'm just going to take the water and I'm going to pour it into each one of the pans. So Saladmaster is 316 Ti stainless steel. Highly noted in the medical field. If you know someone that's got rods in their body, chances are it is 316 stainless steel. If you know someone that's had a shot, they put a needle in your arm, it's 316 stainless steel. So we're going to put some water in the stainless steel Saladmaster pan. We're going to drop a steel wool ball in there without the soap, that is. Same with this one here, just some water in the aluminum pan. And you can do this with any aluminum you've got. Doesn't matter the brand name, doesn't matter the size. And then of course we have got the cast iron skillet. And of course, just some water in here. Now I'm going to pour it right back out just to show you we don't have anything in these pans at all. You've got crystal clear water, as you can see. Again, crystal clear water again. And then of course, I'll just throw those pads back in there. And we've got crystal clear water from the cast iron skillet. But what you don't know, it takes place during the cooking process. So I'm going to put the water in here. I'm going to do a short scrub test for you. And all I'm going to do is start out with the Saladmaster pan first. And we're going to scrub it for just about 15-20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds. But stainless steel, it does matter what grade of steel you use. 316 stainless, again, highly noted in the medical industry. If you've had surgery, they make scalpels out of 316 stainless steel. Needles that they give you a shot with, those are 316 stainless steel. So it's the cleanest, most durable metal that you can get in today's world. cooking and eating out of 316. Saladmaster is well known for their cookware, and if you'll go to Saladmaster Cookware, London, Kentucky, and read the comments from people that's had it 40, 50, 60 years and plus, you'll see just how pleased they are with it. This is an aluminum pan. I'm just going to take, you can hear this is a very soft metal, and so anytime you're using spoons or forks and you're just stirring your beans or whatever you're cooking in there, then you're going to have some metal come off into your food. I'm going to show you that because seeing is believing. Then we're going to switch over here to the aluminum pan and check this, the cast iron skillet. And so we've just got a little water in there, and I've been cleaning this pan for well over 20 years. And again, you don't notice this unless you take a scrubber to it, but it does happen during your cooking process when you're stirring in it with spoons and all that. Cast iron is highly porous, just like your arm. When you get hot, pores opens up, you sweat. When you put food in here, this pan gets hot and you're cooking your food, some of that seeps right down into the pores of the pan. So if you fry fish in here tonight, a few days later you get this pan out, put it on the stovetop, you're going to smell fish. So to show you the results of what I've just done, this is the Saladmaster pan. This is the aluminum pan. And of course you can tell that it's a perfect match. If you can tell, gray, clear for the stainless steel. And then we've got the cast iron skillet. And again, I've been scrubbing this pan for well over 20 years. So we'll pour that in there. So is this something that looks clean to you or not? Now I know sometimes when we have children, they tend to get a little messy or clumsy and they drop food in the floor. And so if you take a napkin and you just wipe the bottom of your shoe, don't know if you can see this or not, but I wipe the bottom of my shoe, and actually my shoe is cleaner than some of these pans here. This is our Saladmaster pan. Just gonna dry it out. And this is the results of it, as you can see. This is our aluminum pan. Just gonna dry it out. And as you can see the results of it, you can see little aluminum particles, and that kind of gets into your food, into your body, into your bloodstream. Just can't be healthy at all. And then you all know, you guessed it, it's going to be black. And that's just what cast iron does. So for instance, to tell you a little bit about the properties and things of it, if I can find my page really quickly, give you a little bit more insight on it, on using glass cookware and what have you. Here we go. This tells you that the difference is the exclusive Saladmaster 316 Ti stainless steel with titanium, lifetime warranty on all of our Saladmaster pieces, our handles and our knobs, everything. It's all cookware, it's all bakeware, it's all servingware. So lower grades of stainless is the stainless that you see here that you get from your local department stores. It's poor heat distribution, difficult to clean when food burns on due to hot spots, a greater need for waters and oils. And then you've got the aluminum pans that's got the non-stick coating in. And that's what we have. I don't know if I can lift it, but that's what we have here. And the non-stick coating can chip and scratch off. You may want to discard it once it's scratched. Non-stick properties decline over time. And then we have aluminum anodized, soft metals that may react with some foods. Ingestion of aluminum may be harmful. And then you have glass cookware, glass, porcelain, or enamel. I do have a piece of enamel. You can stir in it with a spoon. If you've got one of these, go get you a spoon, stir in there, and you'll have pencil marks that's lead that it pulls up to the surface whenever you're stirring in there, as you can see. So here it just basically tells you that it's breakable, it's poor heat distribution, food can stick and burn, and it may contain lead. They take lead out of your household paints, but they'll put it in your cookware and let you feed your family out of it. Cast iron, the characteristics is a rough surface. It can have open pores. Grease can turn rancid in pores, and it rusts when it's washed. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to call me at 606-877-2333. I'm in London, Kentucky. I am a Saladmaster dealer for 36 years. Thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful day.